Mamas, I am not lying when I tell you this is the easiest one skillet pasta you can make with your kids. Hi, I'm JuliAnn, and I'm so glad that you're here. And our channel is dedicated to building cast iron strong families by making delicious recipes in the kitchen with your kids. We have a new video every Wednesday, so make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell so that you know when the new videos go up. So our skillet is already been preheating and it's on kind of a medium low right now. And we're gonna start with olive oil in our skillet, and we're gonna start with 4 ounces of pancetta. And what we wanna do is we're gonna fry this up for about 6 minutes, get it nice and crispy. While we're waiting for that to cook, we're gonna whip up our wet ingredients. A little bit of milk, pecorino cheese, it's gonna be delicious. And then we have 6 large eggs. There we go. You might wanna let the kids break the eggs, have them do it over a separate dish so you can take out any shells, but it's a great way for the kids to get involved in cooking. It's 4. Have them count too. 5 and 6. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And now I'm gonna whisk all that together. Okay, that's all ready to go. Let's make sure we're doing okay here. And we'll add our shallots. Yeah. Woo, it's really gonna smell good now. Oh yeah. All right, so now we're gonna mix our wet ingredients with some already cooked spaghetti. We're just gonna coat that, just like that. Get them all mixed in together, nice and coated. And then as soon as this is ready, we're just gonna pour it all in and throw it in the oven. Yeah, I think we're set. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Nice. Now it's time to put it in the oven for 20 minutes on 375 and we'll have a meal. Here we go. It's ready. Oh, yummy. Now it's out of the oven. We just have a couple more things to do. We're just gonna throw a little bit of parsley on here, make it look really pretty. Add a little bit of black pepper, like that. And then I'm gonna put also basil on it too, because that always adds a little fun. I forgot about the cheese. It ain't easy being cheesy. So add a little bit of shredded pecorino right on the top there, just to finish it off, and then we're ready to go. Your kids are going to love this.
Well, you did a really good job plating this, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm always having trouble eating pasta because I always feel like I make this giant bite and I can't really eat it, so. Oh, that's just cheesy deliciousness right there.
Good, good. For more One Skillet recipes, click here. And now for our life hack of the week, you are gonna love this one. While your skillet is still fairly warm, wipe it clean with a paper towel and scrape off any stickies in there, because that's gonna make your cleanup the bee's knees.